friends, we're going to talk about bees. The story I have right now is called The Happy Bee. I know some people are scared of bees, but they're really kind of awesome insects. So let's find out about them. The Happy Bee. If I can get my page to open up, isn't that funny? Every morning, the little bee flew from flower to flower. Hello, Daisy. Goodbye, Daisy. Hello, Rosie. Goodbye, Rosie. That's a rose flower. Hello, Poppy. Goodbye, Poppy. Very friendly bee. Hello, Lily. Goodbye, Lily. Sometimes the wind blew. What would happen to the bee in the wind? Sometimes the sun shined. Sometimes it rained. He's protecting himself under the leaf. Sometimes the sun shined and sometimes it rained. All at the same time. It's kind of silly weather. Hello, rainbow. Look at the beautiful colors that come after the rain. And that made the little bee very happy. Buzz. The end of that story. I have another story called Bees, and these are real bees in the story. And they're pretty cool to look at. The bees are big and fuzzy. Look at that. You can see their wings. They have different shapes inside their wings too. Look like little veins. Bees have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They sure do. They have 3 body parts. 1, 2, 3. Bees have big eyes. Look at those eyes. Those are amazing. They touch and smell with their feelers. These are their feelers. They look like antennae, but those are their feelers. They can touch everything with it. We use our hands to touch. They use their feelers. Bees have 4 wings, 2 on this side and 2 on this side. Their bodies are covered with little hairs. Look at that. How amazing is that? Bees fly from flower to flower. Yellow pollen sticks to their little hairs. Almost looks like they're wearing glitter. Bees carry pollen from flower to flower. Pollen makes seeds in the flowers. New plants grow from the seeds. Thank you, bees. Bees also make honey and honeycombs. Bye, friends.